Hello, sound check 1 2 3 1 2 3. Hello guys, you can hear me voice clearly. Sound check 1 2 3 1 2 3. So today is 13 March 2026. We are doing live. So first of all, we are doing some fresh analysis. Let's start from Delhi. So what's is going on Delhi? Look at the Delhi, very small bullish candle. That's mean today is no volume in the market. So in the long time, Dell is stuck into consolidation. This is right away we have resistance. This is we have support. Look at the previous daily candle closed above the support. So if this daily candle broke this low, the high probability we're gonna feel this week. So let's move to daily to H4. So H4 right, and the way we have here the support, here we have resistance. So the previous daily, the previous H4 rejection from the support area and close in the range. So let's move to the H4 from to the H1. H1, H1, H1 right, and then we have support. This is we have resistance. Let's move to the H1 to the M30. Okay, M30. This is support. This is our resistance. This is the previous support. Here we have support and resistance. Okay, let's move to the M15. This is the okay. This we have support. This we have resistance. So M15 is completely consolidation. Okay. Okay. Now M15 is consolidation. If any single candle break below this area, we have clean traffic in the left hand side. So maybe we're gonna fill this range. If any single candle close above the resistance level, we have this clean candle in the left hand side. We're gonna tap 5100. This is a psychological number. So I'm just waiting for any single candle closed above the resistance or above the below. I'm just waiting for the confirmation candle. M30 continuously rejected from the psychological number 5,000, 5,100. Today we have CPI. So it's Friday, don't fly on Friday. Always focus on risk management, how you lose less. If you lose less, you're gonna gain more. So I'm just waiting for any single candle confirmation. Just waiting. There's 1 minute left for the M30 candle closure. Look at, man, it's closed in the range. So there is nothing going on the chart. There is no trend. There are just only consolidation. No bullish trend, no bearish trend, just in consolidation. If there is any news, so before market is starting consolidation. I'm just waiting for the breakout structures about the support, about the resistance, then I am give a chance to my trade. Nothing, man. I'm waiting for the M30 closure. I'm waiting for M30 closure. How it's closed. If it's closed with this is a bullish below the resistance, so and next candle week up and break the low, we're gonna tap to the this area. And this is the clean range. So it's a good lane. I'm just waiting. The previous candle and 15-minute closed and the range is a bearish. There is no buys, there is no sells. M20 is still struggling, M13 is still struggling. New M15 started, so let's see how it's closed the M30 candle. I have offline if this current candle M30 is closed with wrong rejection with small body. Next candle look down, break above, there has a probability to tap this area. So look at the 15. If they prove this area, stop loss is 96 pips. very big stop loss. So if there is very big stop loss, you should be lower the lot size. I'm started flipping up. M20 M20 closed with small body and big wicks. There is 10 minutes left for the M30 closure. M15 struggling in the range. Candles created side by sides. It's mean consolidation. M15 again rejected from the same resistance area. I am waiting for the breakout structures. Look at the previous candles. Previous structures is completely bearish. So now the price is start consolidation. When the price is starting consolidation, there is no trends going on. The trends are stopped. So still we have no trends, no bullish, no bearish. There are 6 minutes remaining for the M30 closure. M30 again rejected. Still waiting for the M30 closure. M15 tap into the resistance area. I don't know where at close, where at should be closed. We don't know. Okay. M20 flip being a bullish. If the price break this area, there high probability we cannot tap this area. So if the price break the previous M20, then 30 also breaks our own high, H1 break the previous H1 high, and 15. There's 4 minutes left for the M15 closure and M30. It is very risky. So I think last 3 minutes. It's very important. Anything could be happen in the last 3 minutes. So so don't push your CPAD execution. Later on we have a CPI. Okay, just 2 minutes left for M15 and M30 closure. Just and this last 2 minutes is very important. Anything could be happen. The F20 makes sense if we break this high. We gonna Tape 5100. Look at man, the last 1 minute is rejected from the resistance. So okay, look at the empty closure. Big rejection with small body. What does mean small body? The volume are decreased. Still nothing. And currently rejected from the same resistance area and peptide closed below the resistance. If the M15 break this all rejection in the left hand side, it could be an impulse entry, but it's really risky. So where is our stop loss? Almost 54 peak stop loss. Breaking the 15 previous highs, M20 breaking the highs, M30, also the H1. So all the time frames align to each other to break the highs. It is very risky and also it could be an impulse entry. Five minutes lifting by the M15 closure. Still nothing in the chart. Look at the previous M15 closed as a bullish but within the range. Still the new candle is struggling. There is few minutes left for the M15 closure. M30 is struggling, going up and down. H1 also is struggling, going up and down, and also look at the peptine is flipping to the bearish. If this peptine break, there's all rejection in the left inside. Mm, So I think it's better to wait for the M30 closure, and there is 20 minutes After 20 minutes, it's opening up NYC session. Just 4 minutes left in. Just 4 minutes. Okay. Just 1 minute left for the peptide closure at 1 minute. Last 4 minutes, anything could be just few seconds, just few seconds, just few seconds. Okay, that is new candle apps. They're gonna pick down and break this all rejection in the left hand sides. So very risky. The past 1 minutes, very risky. You have no wicks in the bottom. It's very risky. I am just waiting for this in 15 minutes to come for the bottom week. Now it's come. Okay. Now they're gonna come back to break the own prices. I will give a chance to my trade. But almost is rejected from the resistance and feel 50%. The previous candles, so still nothing. Waiting. H1 struggling, M30 struggling, M20 struggling, peptine is struggling. Okay. So I keep a line here to remember me. This is the high up H1. So it's, if it's break this high, it's high probability we gonna tap 5100. That's clean range, man. If price break this high, so all types of frame aligns to each other. It should be break the M20, M30, H wins all the highs of the previous candles. It's an impulse entry, but it's very risky. So if there is something risky, you should be lower the lot size. Now clipping up. I'm risking $100. So let's see how I lose less. If you're gonna lose less, you're gonna gain more. Don't compromise in risk management. There's 10 minutes left for the M15 closure and also the M30 closure and also the H1 closure, and there is after 8 minutes we have NYC open. So maybe NYC brings something on the table. We're gonna grab some junks. And also we have today CPI. So yeah, still waiting. There is nothing in the chart. Going up, going down, going up, going down. Yes, it's showing less value. Showing very less value. Okay, it's going up, it's going up. Peptine, peptine, still waiting. Man, I don't want to miss him in the last 5 minutes. Let's break this high. Don't want to miss this. Okay. Let's do that. Zero TP, but stop loss. Okay. What else secure? So let's do it. Executed. The impulse entry. Just waiting. Look at them. 10 pips. 10 pips overpower. 20 pips. 18 pips. 16 pips. Secure whatever you suit you. Put 8 pips. Let me secure. So secure put 8 pips. It's amazing man. At the last 1 minute I secure put 8 pips. But just the reading up candles. Look at man. Just reading up candles. Now look at man. 51 pips is going my favor. Amazing. So I done from the day. Look at me, it's continuously going up. The last few minutes. Impulse entry. Impulse entry. Wow. So why secure in the position right here? Because we have here in the left hand side the 15-minute resistance. We don't know. It will be rejected from here or continuously go up. So let's go. Just look at me. H1 is new wick in the top. So M30 also new wick in the top. and 20 also new week in the top, and peptide also new week in the top. What's meaning? That's peptide probability. So don't push yourself execution. And when I see open, we have after 30 minutes we have CPI. So wait when the CPI settle down, then go for the trade. That's I done for the day. I'm winding I have. So be careful, be safe. Bye bye.